And when we're talking about offset, let me show you what offset actually is. This is a Metaltech lower link weldment. And if you notice, the bushing shell is actually offset from center. And let me show you. There is a factory one, and you see that's centered. It's right to it, where we're actually moving it to tangent versus centered. And so what we've done is we've allowed a larger diameter tube to be used, and it clears the axle housing when it's at full droop. By going offset, it actually keeps the vehicle moving forward. And what happens there, as you hit an obstacle with the lower link, you slide along it and you come right off of it. Whereas in a traditional link that goes center, you slide along it and you hit the bulb part of your lower link assembly, which also includes the mounting points, the nuts, everything. We don't need to run guards on the back with our lower links because the link itself acts as a guard as well.